What if every hour of focused work you did today could pay you for the next 5 years? This isn't a hypothetical question. A study from the National Bureau of Economic Research analyzed the income patterns of self-made millionaires and found one startling commonality: they didn't just trade time for money. They built systems where a single unit of effort generated multiple, recurring units of income over time. This is the smart money secret, converting active labor into passive equity. Let's clear the air. The term passive income is often misunderstood. True passive income isn't about no work, it's about front-loaded work with exponential, delayed rewards. Think of it like digging a well. The digging is hard, active labor. But once water flows, you have a source with minimal maintenance. The Federal Reserve Survey of Consumer Finances shows that over 40% of millionaire households have at least 3 streams of income, with at least one being semi-passive. The goal is to build the well. Our first, and arguably most accessible well, is digital asset creation. This is the modern author or educator's path. You create a valuable piece of intellectual property once, an online course, an in-depth ebook, a set of professional templates, and you sell it thousands of times. Consider the case of a simple Excel budgeting template. A creator might spend 10 hours perfecting it. If sold for $50 on a platform like Etsy or Gumroad, and it sells just 10 copies a week, that's $500 per week. Over a year, that initial 10-hour investment generates over $26,000, effectively paying $2,600 per hour of that initial work. Next, we look to the grand engine of wealth, the stock market. But not for speculation, for cash flow. This is dividend and high-yield ETF investing. When you buy shares in a company that pays dividends, you become a partial owner, entitled to a share of the profits. The magic is in reinvestment, a principle Albert Einstein reportedly called the eighth wonder of the world. A study by Hartford Funds shows that from 1960 to 2022, dividends contributed nearly 70% of the S&P 500's total return. For beginners, high-yield ETFs like VYM or SCHD offer instant diversification into dozens of dividend-paying companies, creating a quarterly cash payout you can live on or reinvest. Now, let's step into the role of the bank through peer-to-peer lending and crowdfunding. Platforms like Lending Club or Prosper allow you to lend your money directly to individuals or small businesses, earning interest that far exceeds traditional savings accounts. Historically, the average net annualized return for investors on these platforms has ranged between 4 to 7%. You're not buying a stock, you're buying an income-producing note. The key smart money move here is diversification, lending small amounts across hundreds of notes to mitigate the risk of any single borrower defaulting. Another powerful automated system is affiliate marketing. This isn't just posting links. It's about building trusted content, a blog, a YouTube channel, a newsletter, that recommends products you genuinely believe in. When someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. The smart money approach? Create evergreen content. A single, well-researched Best Budget Laptops 2025 review video can generate sales commissions every day for years with no additional work from you, turning your content library into an automated sales force. Real estate is a classic wealth builder, but being a landlord is active work. The solution? Real estate investment trusts or REITs. A REIT is a company that owns, operates, or finances income-producing real estate. By buying shares of a REIT, you get exposure to rental income from apartments, shopping malls, or cell towers without fixing a single toilet. They are required by law to pay out at least 90% of their taxable income as dividends, making them a potent source of passive cash flow from the property market. The glue that holds a multi-stream empire together is automation. With tools like Zapier or IFTTT, you can connect your different income apps. A new sale on your digital storefront can automatically trigger a thank you email, log the transaction in a spreadsheet, and even transfer a percentage of the profit to your investing account. The smart money philosophy is to design systems that require less than an hour of oversight per week, freeing your most valuable asset, your attention, for strategy and scaling. This is where the empire truly forms, scaling and reinvesting. Your first digital course earns $500 a month. Instead of spending it, you reinvest that cash flow into buying dividend ETFs. The dividends from those ETFs are then used to fund your peer-to-peer lending pool. Each stream feeds the next, creating a compound effect. This mirrors that snowball, a method used by large endowments like Yale's, which allocate to multiple, uncorrelated return streams to build resilient, growing wealth. Building a passive income empire is not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a get-rich-smart strategy. It's the deliberate shift from earning a wage to owning assets. The ultimate smart money lesson is this: don't work for money and make your money work in multiple, systematized ways for you. Start by digging one well, build one digital product, automate one affiliate system, or start a monthly investment in a dividend ETF. Master it, automate it, and then use its output to fund your next stream. That is the path from trading time for dollars to building wealth that grows while you sleep.